What is up, everybody? This is Steel Clone Prepper, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Bunker Hill Security Wireless Alert System. So this is a little driveway alarm. You can see it's got the little motion sensor and the alarm. Let's get into it. Alright, so if you're watching this video, hopefully you checked out my other video of the unboxing of this wireless security system. Let's get into this little wireless alert security system. This is from Harbor Freight, normally priced about $15, $15.99. I got my monthly magazine in, and this thing was discounted to $9. And I've been planning on getting these for a little while. So, you know, it's not really anything that I was not planning on or anything like that. So, first thing, we've got the chime. I don't know what you'd call it. I guess it's called a chime. I don't know. Chime box. And the surveillance system box. We've got... I do not know what this thing is. It just kind of has those. Hang on, I think I know what this is. This is a template so you can put this on the wall. Interesting, pretty clever. And then the destruction manual with 3 screws and 3 drywall anchors. We'll set those aside because nobody really wants to mess with those. Not just yet, at least. So let's take this out of the packaging. There is a switch, high, low, and off. And it appears that it can accept a 6-volt DC for direct power. So I don't. Nothing. It did not come in the box. There's no 6-volt DC. What is this thing in there though? Oh, I just threw that in there. Ah, there's my memory for you. So there's no 6-volt DC power pack to it. So I wonder if that is something that you could buy separately on a website. And here is the sensor itself. Pretty decent. I don't like the color. I will probably be spray painting it or hiding it. And if this LED actually operates, then I will be covering that up with some tape or something. So let's get going on and see what's in there. Okay, so in order to open it, it takes a precision Phillips head screwdriver. Luckily, I don't put anything up, so my precision tool set is right here. So let's get under there. Let's get in there and take it apart and get to looking. So, like I said, if you guys haven't checked out my other video on the surveillance security system, check it out. I did talk about this a little bit, the price points on it. Again, this normally priced about $16. And I got my little, my daily or my monthly advertisement magazine from Harbor Freight in the mail. And so I went down there. This is not coming out. So I went down there and picked it up for $10. So $5 or $6 off of this little Harbor Freight set is not bad. Except for the fact that it took a little bit to come off. And it does use 3 C-cell batteries. And luckily I have some here. And this one has 2 screws in it. So we're going to open this one. This one's on there tight. I don't like that. And this is plastic. I don't like it being tight, screwed in there so tight. And it being this is plastic, it could strip the threads out, which would make for an unhappy customer. I can guarantee that. And there is no way to pop this thing out. Another thing I don't like. So let's get a flathead out of my precision screwdriver set and see if we can pop it out with a flathead. Yeah, I'm already not a big fan. And then watch me lose stuff. I've already lost one of the screws to it. There we go. And this one takes a 9-volt battery. Alright, so let's put batteries in there and test it out. And we'll go from there. So, we have come back from our long journey of expediting. I don't know, is that a word? Expedition? We came back from our long expedition of finding batteries. So, I went and bought the most expensive, cheap brand I could find, because no matter what kind of battery you buy, they're all overpriced and overrated. They're not worth their money anymore. So we're going to put the battery in this thing, just like this, you know. I don't know how to put batteries in things, I guess. Whoa! I think it's pretty loud. And I think the light came on too. It does. That is pretty awesome. I do like that. So the light, the little notification light as well comes on, to that way, I guess if you're hard of hearing, or if you have it down on low, you can kind of see it going off too. So I guess if you I don't know, it's pretty handy so far. I like it. If I can get the right screwdriver to fit in here. Alright, so we got the screwdriver, or the batteries in the back put back on that thing. And let's try the 9-volt one thing, the sensor. These things are always awkward to put on. This one doesn't have a switch to let you know whenever it's on and off, or turn it on and off. So that's kind of a, I guess that's okay. Oh wait, it does have a switch on it, or it just, yeah, the light comes on. Huh. Yeah, so I guess I will be having to paint that black so that nobody can see it. This one side right here is foam. Man, how many preppers does it take to put a battery in a motion sensor? I don't like this. I really don't like that. It's really hard and awkward to get the battery in there. Okay, there we go. I guess that's how you do it. So again, the price point on this was fairly reasonable. It was very inexpensive. And on top of, you know, again, for those of you, if you haven't watched my last video on the wireless security or the wired security camera system, I bought all of this and a pair of safety glasses, $2 safety glasses, for just the price of the camera system alone. And again, like I said, I get my monthly magazine and from Harbor Freight. And so I checked it out, and there was a 20% off coupon on there. And just to kind of see exactly what 20% off was, 20% off of 70 is $12, I believe, because this was on sale for $9.99, so about $10. My safety glasses were $2, and this the security camera was 70. So I guess 20% off of 70 is 12. I'm not a mathologist. Wireless security alert system from Harbor Freight. It does say it has a radio range of 400 feet, a sensor range of 30 feet with a 40-degree viewing field, and it operates at 433 megahertz. So, well, we will, I think that's going to do it for this video. What I will do is in a couple of weeks, I will do an overall review of the operating of the system to let you guys know how well it works. And it does have a little light on it. Oh, and it's sensing me. And it does have a little light, LED light, so if you're hard of hearing, or if you're just jamming out some music and don't hear it, or if you have your headphones in, this could catch your eye and let you know. It's a pretty bright little light. I like that. And that's on low. The volume there is on low. And that's pretty loud. Yeah, that's pretty loud. So, unboxing and kind of a quick look, first glance, of the Bunker Hill Security wireless security alert system from Harbor Freight. $10. Go out and get you one if you have it. If you got a Harbor Freight near you, go get you one. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this review. Stay safe and keep prepping.